Many specialists agree that food can be both the best medicine and the root of multiple diseases. Today, I want to show you how a true body detox begins in the intestines. I'm going to reveal 5 juices, smoothies, and medicinal plants that will help you cleanse your colon naturally and easily. Each one is more interesting than the last. Perfect if you suffer from constipation, gas, digestive discomfort, or abdominal bloating. It doesn't matter if you already have chronic illnesses or if you simply want to improve your health. An intestinal cleanse can prevent many conditions such as colon cancer, diverticulitis, fissures, hemorrhoids, and it can also help you avoid the use of synthetic products. A healthy intestine reduces inflammation, improves organ function, and can even speed up your metabolism. In this video, I'll explain in just a few minutes what an intestinal cleanse is, how to do it correctly, and what precautions to take. Our large intestine measures between 1.5 and 2 meters in length. On the right side of the colon, stool is still liquid, but as it moves toward the left side, the body reabsorbs much of the water, making it more solid. When this intestinal transit is interrupted by factors such as stress, a poor low-fiber diet, dehydration, or lack of exercise, stool can become as hard as a rock, staying retained and accumulating toxins. This not only causes digestive discomfort, but also increases the risk of inflamed diverticula, bleeding, persistent gas, abdominal pain, nausea, loss of appetite, and worsens other conditions such as anal fissures or hemorrhoids. And the symptoms are not only digestive. Constant fatigue, insomnia, body aches, mood changes, headaches, and poor control of conditions like diabetes or hypertension can also appear. Fortunately, all of this can improve with natural changes. Let's take a look at the best foods that cleanse your colon and at the same time regenerate your health. The first smoothie is made with broccoli, spinach, and ginger. To prepare it, you need 3 broccoli florets, 8 to 10 spinach leaves with stems, and 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, either grated or chopped. Blend everything with 1 liter of water. You can drink a 200 milliliter glass on an empty stomach or between meals. The ideal amount depends on each person. Some people, with 2 or 3 servings per week, achieve more regular and effortless bowel movements. This juice is refreshing, especially if you drink it with ice, and it is packed with antioxidants, chlorophyll, fiber, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Important advice: do not strain it, because fiber is essential for cleansing the intestines. But if it's hard for you to drink it that way, save the pulp and mix it with a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper. That way, you get a dense cream with medicinal effects for the colon. Avoid adding sugar, especially if you have diabetes or want to lose weight. If the flavor is too strong at first, you can add a teaspoon of honey or an apple or pear with peel. Over time, your palate will adapt to the natural taste of the food. Broccoli has anti-inflammatory properties, protects the liver, and can raise testosterone levels. Spinach, rich in potassium, magnesium, and iron, is great for the kidneys and intestinal transit. Ginger, meanwhile, is a true medicinal gem. It relieves nausea, improves digestion, and has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Eating consciously means learning to use food as an ally for our health. These juices not only provide you with energy and digestive wellness, but they also help reduce cholesterol, triglycerides, blood glucose, and strengthen your immune system. They can even support weight loss if combined with daily physical exercise and good rest. The next smoothie is a powerful vasodilator. It's made with 1 medium beet with skin, 1 carrot with skin, 1 tablespoon of ginger, and 1 liter of water. You can add the juice of half a lemon if you like. This smoothie improves circulation in muscles and the brain, increases physical performance, boosts cellular oxygenation, and even has aphrodisiac effects. Beet and ginger are excellent for maintaining arterial elasticity and reducing blood pressure. However, some sensitive people may experience diarrhea. If that happens to you, reduce the dose and consult your doctor. This juice is perfect to drink on an empty stomach or as an energy drink before a walk or workout. People with low blood pressure should be cautious to avoid dizziness or weakness. Another very effective smoothie is prepared with celery, cucumber, parsley, apple, and ginger. Use 2 celery stalks, 1 cucumber with peel, a handful of parsley, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and a whole apple with peel without seeds. Blend everything with 1 liter of water, without straining, and drink a glass on an empty stomach or between meals. If it's too strong for you, reduce the parsley or add ground cinnamon. If you decide to strain it, don't throw away the fiber. Add flaxseed, chia, or quinoa, and eat it with a spoon and plenty of water. These plants regulate the intestines and nourish your microbiota, controlling inflammation and improving memory, concentration, and energy. Celery and cucumber also have diuretic effects, supporting kidney function. The 4th smoothie uses 1 kiwi with peel and 2 pieces of papaya. You can choose to include the papaya seeds or not. I recommend them for their mild laxative effect. Blend everything with 1 liter of water or almond milk. If you don't have almond milk, you can blend 3 or 4 almonds with the ingredients. Almond milk is rich in calcium, ideal for vegans. Papaya contains papain, vitamins A, B, and C, and acts gently on the intestines. All of these juices are low in calories, have a satiating effect, and reduce abdominal bloating, helping with weight loss. And if none of these smoothies work for you or you have little time, try this practical remedy. Soak chia or flax seeds in water. Leave 2 teaspoons in half a liter of water overnight. By morning, you'll see a natural gel. Drink it on an empty stomach or between meals. You can also blend it with juice or plant-based milk. Within a few days, you'll notice intestinal improvement. But even though these remedies are natural, you must be cautious. If you experience intense pain, bleeding, unexplained weight loss, vomiting, or if you cannot have a bowel movement for several days, consult your doctor. Also, if you have advanced kidney disease or are at risk of dehydration. Keep in mind that maintaining good intestinal health doesn't only depend on juices or smoothies. You also need to stay well hydrated, exercise regularly, avoid ultra-processed foods, alcohol, smoking, and trans fats. Establishing a fixed bathroom schedule, not ignoring the urge to defecate, and walking after meals can make a big difference in your digestive health. Also avoid lying down right after eating. Use that time to take a light walk and activate your metabolism.